20 years ago, Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzon made the music beast in Stockholm, and that changed how the industry perceived audio streaming. From being just a music app on your phone to viral domination, Spotify's two-decade trek has been a messy, melodic masterpiece. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. If you want to talk about power moves, look no further than the Great Swiftie Blackout. In 2014, Taylor Swift shook the earth by pulling her entire catalog out of the platform over artist royalties. Her 3-year ghosting of the app remains the ultimate industry mic drop, ending only when she blessed the platform with a return, just in time for the Reputation era. But Spotify doesn't just survive drama, it manufactures obsession. Every December, the internet turns into a giant scoreboard thanks to Spotify Wrapped. It's a one day a year we all agree to be narcissists, flaunting our listening ages and Wrapped like digital badges of honor. It's not just data, it's a lifestyle brand that Apple Music simply can't touch. Technologically, the path was rocky. Fans spent nearly 5 years begging for hi-fi audio, while rivals gave it all. Spotify finally delivered the lossless in September 2025, quieting the audiophiles and launching the listening lounge to prove that they're still the best in the game. Apart from music, the app is the master of words as well. Since 2015, it's transformed from a simple jukebox into a podcasting giant and an audiobook powerhouse with its sleek page match tech. Between the algorithmic magic of Discover Weekly and the eerily accurate playlists, Spotify knows your mood better than your therapist does. That's why, even after 2 decades, we're still hopelessly addicted to it. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.